Isikhona intuthuko eMatones, silibonile ibhilidi eMatones, silibonile ibhilidi eMatones. Abafundi nabo baya wena, abafundi nabo baya wena.
Indeed, we were quite happy about this project, which has been constructed under the auspices of DPSA together with the Motsepe Foundation. As we'll recall that this place was a very difficult place for learners in particular, coming from both areas because there are schools on both sides, and learners had to cross this river in order to access the schools. And when the water levels were a bit high, it became too risky for them to cross to access schools. But even if the water levels are low as we can see them today, it's always risky for learners really to be subjected into having to cross a river to access education. So when this matter came to their attention, we then had a discussion with DPSA to say, can they put a hand in helping us really to solve that particular challenge. And they then took a lead in terms of everything that resulted into this project that we're unveiling today. They contacted the Motsepe Foundation, a substantial donation in the construction of this way. So today, really the issue of learners in the river of this area is we'll talk about it as history that at some these learners had to cross the river, but today they will walk safely through this pedestrian bridge, and we call it a bridge to success because for the community of this area to succeed and to develop, they need to have their children educated. And if you have many stumbling blocks in the education of the children will drop out, they will get demotivated, and the communities of this area will never succeed. So that is why we are calling it a bridge to success. So the learners now will then be able to access education with ease, and then their future prospects are quite bright.
Okay,